my turn?
Is Bam there?
Yes, one moment. Hello, this is Bam. How can I help you?
Why are you sounding like that, Bam? I thought you sound like, oh, hello, I'm big,
Look to your right, Tabor. There's the river over there. See, on the other side of the road. Do you see it? See where the rocks are?
I see it.
Yeah. Means we're getting close. We went from flat right to the mountains. Oh, look at that river. That's right. Over this bridge. Now it's on the left side. The river, because we crossed the bridge to the other side of it. You see it over there?
Oh, yeah, I do. Higher.
That's right. Yeah. I am? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am kind of tall, but I don't know if I'm that tall. Oh, that river looks so nice. Oh no! Yeah.
Yeah, cash free!
Woohoo! Alright, just about a mile or two away. Lower site. So that's another place. Yeah, you are. Yeah. those trees. Do you see the little tent sign? We just passed it. Here we are. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, it does. Let's take a little drive around and see what we can see. I think we're on the other side, but let's go drive around and see. Yeah, there's lots of nice grass. We're just gonna drive through. Yeah. That's right. Well, I'm trying to remember where our campsite is. I think our campsite's over here. Here, I think. If I remember from the map. Oh yeah, I think this is our spot. What do you think? Do you like the spot? Let's go. Let's just go back to the campsite. Let's double check. Well, because when I looked on the map,